Ange Postecoglou departs, Premier League club. After 2 seasons, club and coach issue statements. A high-profile departure has taken place at a major English football club, with the head coach officially stepping down after 2 years at the helm. The club released a detailed statement confirming the manager's exit, while the coach also shared a personal message reflecting on his tenure. In a heartfelt message, the outgoing coach expressed deep pride in having led one of England's most storied football institutions. He described the opportunity as a once-in-a-lifetime honor and highlighted the emotional impact of sharing that journey with passionate supporters. One particular European triumph, achieved in Bilbao, was noted as the culmination of 2 years of dedication and belief, an effort made in the face of widespread skepticism. The coach credited the players and backroom staff for helping make what once seemed unlikely a reality. He also thanked the club's supporters, acknowledging both their loyalty and their belief in his vision, even during challenging periods. He reserved special praise for the staff who supported him day to day and the players he worked with, calling them a fantastic group of young men and legends of this football club. The statement concluded with a message of unity and pride in what was accomplished together. Separately, the club released its own statement outlining the reasons behind the decision to part ways. It cited a comprehensive internal review of recent performances, acknowledging that while the coach brought positive changes, particularly a return to an attacking style and a memorable European victory, overall league results had fallen short of expectations. Despite a strong start in the 2023-24 season, the club highlighted a concerning trend: 78 points from the last 66 league matches, resulting in the worst Premier League finish in the club's history. While the club recognized that injuries and prioritization of European competition played a role, it ultimately determined that a change in leadership was necessary to better compete on all fronts. The club emphasized that the decision was not made lightly and involved careful consideration. The statement also credited the outgoing manager for laying strong foundations with a young and talented squad, which the club intends to build upon moving forward. The search for a new head coach is underway, with an announcement expected soon. The outgoing manager was thanked for his service and told he would always be welcomed back. News reporter for Trend and Truth.